Good morning and good afternoon, kids. This is your teacher Ruby, and for today's topic, we're going to talk about subtraction. Lesson 4 by teacher Ruby. So, subtraction, math action words: deduct, minus, reduce, take away, subtract, and remove. Again, these are the words of subtraction, math action words. Again, let's read: deduct, minus, reduce, take away, subtract, and remove. Okay, next. The parts of a subtraction number sentence. 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. 7 is what you called minuend, and this sign is minus. And 3 is what you called subtrahend, and this sign is equal signs. And 4 is difference. Again, the parts of subtraction number sentence: 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. 7 is what you call minuend. This sign is minus. 3 is what you call subtrahend. And this sign is equals, and 4 is difference. Do you understand now, kids? So let's proceed. Subtraction. First, when you subtract numbers, all you have to do, arrange the numbers with digits in the same place value, vertically aligned. Second, minus digit in the ones place first and remove to the digits to the left. Again, first, arrange the numbers with digits in the same place value, vertically aligned. And second, minus the digit in the ones place first and then move to the digits to the left. Okay, so let's proceed subtracting two numbers. For example, we have 836,436 minus 321,512 is equals to, again kids, all we have to do, first, arrange the numbers vertically aligned, just like this. Take a look, kids. Next, the ones placed first, then digits to the left. So what number is the ones placed? Very good, 6 and 2. So let's start. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. 4 minus 5 cannot be, right? So we can borrow to 6. And 6 will be 5. And 4 will become 14. So we can subtract it now. So 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. And lastly, we have 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Very good. So the answer is 514,924. Next, subtracting three numbers. Example, 714,895 minus 199,971 minus 145,123 is equals to, again kids, arrange the numbers vertically aligned, just like this. Take a look. Very good. So why is it I'm just only subtracting the two numbers? Okay, kids, listen. If we got the answer already, and that's the time that we're going to subtract the last number. So, okay, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4, and 9 minus 7 is equals to 2, and 8 minus 9 cannot be, right? So, we can borrow to 4. 4 will be 3, and then 8 will become 18. So 18 minus 9 is equals to 9. And 3 minus 9 cannot be. So we can borrow to number 1. 1 will be 0 and 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 9 is equals to 4 and 0 minus 9 cannot be, right? So we can borrow to number 7 and 7 will be 6 and 0 will become 10. Very good. So now we can subtract. So 10 minus 9 is equals to 1 and 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Very good. So now we have the answer, 514,924. So next, over here, we have 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. And how about 4 minus 5? Cannot be, right? So we can borrow to 1. 1 will be 0. And 4 will become 14. Very good. So 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. 0 minus 4 cannot be, right? So 5 will be 4. And then 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. And lastly, we have 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So therefore, the answer is 369,801. Very good. So kids, this time, can you please open your workbook on page number 21, letter E. Let's try. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 examples. Number 1, 12,546 minus 6,516. So first, 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. 5 minus 0 is equals to, 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. And 2 minus 3 minus 6 cannot be, right? So we can borrow to 1, and 1 will be 0, and then 2 will become 12. And then we can subtract. 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. So number 1, the answer is 6,030. Okay, please do copy, kids. This is the answer, number 1. Next, let's proceed to number 2. 24,515 minus 18,728. So 5 minus 8 cannot be, so we can borrow to 1. 1 will be 0, and 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. And then 0 minus 2 cannot be, so we can borrow 5, and 5 will be 4, and then 0 will become 10. 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. 4 minus 7 cannot be, so we can borrow 4. 4 will be 3, and then 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 7 is equals to 7. 3 minus 8 cannot be, so we can borrow to 2. 2 will be 1, and then 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 8 is equals to 5. 1 minus 0 is equals, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So no need to write, okay? Number 2, we have the answer 5,787. So next, number 3. 8 minus 9 cannot be. We can borrow to 1. 1 will be 0, and then 8 will become 18, and 18 will be minus to number 9. So the answer is 9. So 0 minus 3 cannot be, so we can borrow to the 5. 5 will become 4, and then 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. So 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. And then 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. And then 4 minus 1 minus 3 is equals to 1, right? So the answer is 12,079. Okay, next, number 4, we have 32,412 minus 22,083. So 2 minus 3 cannot be, so we can borrow to 1. 1 will become 0, and then 12 will become 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. 0 minus 8 cannot be. So 4, we can borrow to 4, and 4 will be 3. And then 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. 3 minus 0 will be 3. 2 minus 2 is 0, and 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Therefore, number 4, the answer is 10,329. So let's proceed to number 5. 647,259 minus 84,273. So 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. 5 minus 7 cannot be, so we can borrow 2. Number 2, 2 will be 1, and this is rather 1. And then 5 minus will be 15, and 15 minus 7 is equals to 8. Therefore, we can borrow this to 7. 7 will become 6, and then 11 minus 2 is equals to 9. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 4 minus 8 cannot be, right? So we can borrow to number 6. 6 will be 5, and then 4 will become 14, and 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. And bring down the number 5. So therefore, number 5, the answer is 562,986. Now, let's proceed to the last example. We have number 6, 845,753 minus 485,903. So 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. 5 minus 0 is equals to 5. 7 minus 9 cannot be, so we can borrow 5. 5 will be 4, and 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 9 is equals to 8, and 4 minus 5 cannot be, so we can borrow 4, and 4 will be 3, and 4 will be 14, will become 14, and 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. 3 minus 8 cannot be. So 8 we can borrow here, and 8 will be 7, and 3 will become 13. So we can now subtract. 13 minus 8 is equals to 5 and 7. Lastly, 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. Therefore, the answer number 6 is 359,856. Do you understand now, kids? Okay, workbook page number 21, letter E. Let's try. Number 7, 8, 9. So 7, 985,046 minus 651,023. So 3, 2, 0, 4, 3, and 3. So this is the first answer, and then 3 minus 7 is therefore number 7. The answer is 206,036. So next, let's proceed to number 8. Okay, 7, 8, and then 4, 2, cannot be, borrow. So 11, 6, and then 3. Therefore, number 8, the answer is 3,486,812. Last example, number 9. Can it be? So 4, 7, 5, and then the answer is 3,419,892. So page number 21, letter E, do it by yourself. Okay, kids, for today, this is our last topic. And we can proceed to the next video. Stay tuned, kids. Good luck.